Hey y'all, so today is all about Netflix and chili. Stay tuned. Today I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys an easy and quick chili recipe that I have, being that we are quarantined. Yes, living in LA. This new law has everybody sitting still, and I wanted to make something that'll last a couple of days, that will stick to the bones, because I'm eating all my snacks up and it's not cool. Been to the store, there's nothing in it. It's ridiculous. So I figured I'd make something that, stick to my ribs. And here I am adding in the meat. Got these beans dropping in. Lots and lots of beans. I love black beans. So I'm going to need y'all to drop what's hot. When I say that, drop in the comments what's hot on Netflix right now. What you watching on Netflix right now? I'm watching Elite and All American. So let me know what you watching. And let me know what snacks y'all eating. I've been eating goldfishes, cookies, Nutter Butters. I need some new snacks. I probably need to make some snacks. So if you guys have any suggestions, put them and leave them in the comments, and let me do what it do. While that simmers up, we're going to make some cornbread. I love me some Jiffy cornbread. It's sweet enough. I don't add anything in it but an egg and some milk. Here I have some almond milk. I love me some almond milk. And I'm probably the only one who beats any mix, cake mix, waffle mix, cornbread mix with one of the little whisk. I don't like using the machine. I just like to whisk it with my own hand. So here is my finished product. My waffle it's a little ugly, but it's okay. The chili it's going to clean it up and make it look pretty, and it's going to taste good. So I'm topping her off with a little bit of cheese, and I'm good to go. A cornbread waffle topped with some chili. I'm also going to make it another way. I love to eat it with the cornbread, but my boyfriend doesn't. So he just going to get chili in a cup, layered with cheese, topped with sour cream and some parsley. I'm giving it to y'all two ways, his and hers. Do it how you want to do it. It's going down the same way, and it's going to taste amazing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. My mind just went blank. Please stay in the house, wash your hands, and be safe. See you on the next one.